115,000 Mark 1 Audi A5s were sold. Are you thinking about buying an Audi A5? Stay tuned, we're going to talk about 5 reasons why you should buy an Audi A5 in 2023. The first reason why you should buy a Mark 1 Audi A5? What a good looking car. The looks alone have sold the car to most people. With lines and curves running along both sides of the vehicle, its flared arches gives it a really sporty look. It has good proportions all the way through. It comes in a coupe, a cabriolet, a sportback. Comes with LED daytime running lights, 18-inch alloy wheels, dual exhaust. All of this gives it a really sporty look, and some people may go as far as saying it looks like an American muscle car, and in some variants, it may even sound like one. The second reason why you may consider buying a Mark 1 Audi A5 is Powertrain. Audi have really delivered in terms of offering a number of different petrol and diesel engines. Petrol engines come in a 1.8 TFSI, 2-litre TFSI, 3.2 FSI, 3-litre TFSI, and a 4.2 FSI V8. Diesel engines come in a 2-litre TDI, 2.7 TDI, and a 3-litre turbo diesel. In terms of gearboxes, you can buy the Audi A5 Mark 1 in a 6-speed manual, 6-speed Tiptronic, 7-speed S-tronic, and an 8-speed Tiptronic. So lots of options to choose from to suit your needs. The third reason to consider buying a Mark 1 Audi A5, and following on from the second reason, is performance. So the 2-litre TFSI is the same engine that can be found in a Mark 5 Golf GTI, so it has circa 200 brake horsepower. The 3-litre TFSI is the same engine in the S4, which again is highly tunable. With the diesel engines, the 2-litre TDI comes in at 177 bhp. A stage 1 remap takes that to over 200 horsepower. The 2.7 TDI engine comes in at approximately 180 or 190 bhp, which again with the stage 1 remap would take that over 230 horsepower. The 3-litre TDI engine comes in at 240 bhp as standard, and a remap on that would take that to around 300 horsepower. Put on a straight through exhaust and you'd be confused in thinking it was a V8. The fourth reason for buying a Mark 1 Audi A5 is reliability. These cars are now getting on in terms of age and mileage, but a lot of users still vouch for its reliability by taking into these few points. Firstly, making sure the car has had a recent cam belt and water pump change, checking for oil leaks, checking for service history, ideally full service history, check if it's had a recent clutch change, making sure there's no bangs or odd noises on full lock or steering, check for smoke. Black smoke on diesels is typical. Make sure there's no blue smoke or white smoke, and take the car for a test drive and just make sure everything is functioning as it should. Guys, and the list for buying an Audi A5 can go on, but my final reason in this video for buying a Mark 1 Audi A5 is the interior. On first inspection, you can see that everything is nicely laid out. Everything is good quality, good multimedia system, good specs, nice cabin and a nice place to be. And also there's an option for optional extras. Typical Audi, good quality, everything nicely laid out. It's a good place to be, and it's a nice comfortable ride. In terms of price, having a look on comparison websites, you can now pick up a decently spec Mark 1 Audi A5 for around £5,000. Guys, I hope this video was useful. If you have any comments, leave them in the section below. Like, share and subscribe.